Hello students, in this video we will discuss about one example related to linear programming. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically and maximize z equal to 4x plus y. Subject to constants x plus y is equal to 50, 3x minus y equal to x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x minus y less than or equal to 90, and x is greater than 0 or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. These are the constants and z equal to 4x plus y, this is the objective function and we should be maximize it. That means we should find the maximum value at any point which is contained in the feasible region. Now, first we should be write the corresponding equation of these inequalities. Corresponding equation of first inequality is x plus y is equal to 50. This is the first equation. Second corresponding equation is 3x minus y is equal to 90. This is the second. And third is x is greater than or x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is the third equation. Now for the drawing the graph, first we should be take at least 2 points from first, means for this equation we should be 2 points. Suppose this is x and this is y. If we put in this equation x equal to 0, then y will be 50, and if we put y equal to 0, then x equal to 50. In the second, means in this equation, if we take 2 points on this line, then this will be, if we put x equal to 0, then y equal to minus 90, and if y equal to 0, then x equal to 30, positive 30, and this is the x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. X equal to 0 means this is the equation of y axis, and y equal to 0 means this is the equation of x axis. Now first we draw the graph of these lines. This is the x dash, y and y dash, and this is the origin. Now first we take 0, 50. On the y axis, this is the 50, and taking scale 10 unit equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore this will be 5 centimeter. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This point represent the 0, 50. And 50, 0, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This point will be 50, 0. And if you join these two lines, then this line represent x plus y equal to 50. Now draw the second equation, means second line, 0, minus 90. Minus 90 means minus 9 centimeter on the negative direction on y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This point will be 0, minus 90, and 30, 0, that means 1, 2, 3. This will be 30, 0, and join these equations like this. Since this is including, because equal to sign also given here, so line will be regular. If this is not only less than or only greater than, then you should be draw this line by the dotted. Right on this line, this is the 3x minus y equal to 90. Now we try to find what is the half plane contained by these lines. That means if you put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this equation, that means 0 is less than or equal to 50. That means this is the content, the origin. That means towards the origin from these lines, this will be shaded region. That means this region will be shaded region. And if we put in this in equation 0 minus 0, that means this is the correct statement. 0 is less than or equal to 90. So from these lines, that means this region will be shaded region. Now you can see here this region, that means O, A, B and C. This will be the common region, and this region is known as feasible region. All points in this region is known as feasible choice, and all points in this region is known as feasible solution of this constraint or this problem. Is it clear? Now, as you see here, since we should maximize z equal to 4x plus y, so we will take all corner points. All corner points means first I write here, since corner points are first is 0, 0. Second means this point, and coordinate of this point is 0, 30, 0. 30, 0. So this point means this is the origin. Second point A means 30, 0, and this is the B. Coordinate of B. We should be find what will be coordinate of B. That means intersection of both lines. What will be intersection of both lines? Suppose if we solve from 1 and 2, since from 1 and 2, this will be x plus y equal to 50 and 3x minus y equal to 90. So this will be considered 4x equal to 140, then x equal to 4 3 are 12, 4 5 are, means x will be 35, then y will be, if we put x equal to here 35, then y will be 50 minus 35, that means 15. This is the coordinate of B, 15, 35, 15. That means B will be 35, 15. And last C point will be 0, 50. 0, 50. These points are the corner points of this feasible region. Now we should find at each point's value of z, since object function z equal to 4x plus y. So at O, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, therefore z equal to 0 plus 0, that means this will be 0. At A means x equal to 30 and y equal to 0, z will be 4 into 30 plus y 0, so this will be 120. Now at B point, x equal to 35 and y equal to 15, then z will be 4 into 35 plus 15. This will be 4 into 35, this will be 140, and 140 plus 15, this will be 155. At C, x equal to 0 and y equal to 50, so z will be 0 plus 50 equal to 50. Now you can see here 155 is greatest number, and this value find at the point B. Since at B, that means 35, 15, Z equal to 155 is maximum. Therefore, maximum value equal to 155 at 35, 15. Now, this is the solution of this linear programming problem. This is the rough work. Now, this will be your answer, and if you write I like this, you can get full marks. Now, in the next video, we will take some theorems related to this topic.